I'm pleased and proud to announce that the Tierco Group has acquired Sperrin Metal. Sperrin Metal is a manufacturer of storage solutions based in Draperstown in Northern Ireland, and we're really excited to acquire the company and take the company to the next level. Tierco Group is owned and managed by the three Tierney brothers, myself, Jonathan and Martin.
So the Tierco Group consists of a few different components, and one major component of that is Tierco Healthcare, which owns Seating Matters and other healthcare businesses. We also have some investments, but the Tierco manufacturing division is going to be the parent of Sperrin Metal.
Sperrin Metal is a key part of the local community, and that company and that community has been admired for quite a while. And what they've established there over the last 60 years is a testimony to the hard work of the people. We're really looking forward to getting in and working with the people there to build a very sustainable future for all involved.
Our future with Sperrin Metal would be to continue the legacy that has already started, with a focus on providing employment, a focus on manufacturing. We do have a history of exporting and a history of manufacturing here in Northern Ireland, something we're really proud of and something we want to see growing within the community where Sperrin Metal is.
Yes, within Tierco Group, we're really known for this culture of continuous improvement, and we're really excited to bring that to Sperrin Metal, to improve the products, improve the services that we provide to the customers, but also to secure those jobs for generations to come.
We've been very familiar with Sperrin Metal as a brand and as a company for years. It's a very well-respected company, a well-respected brand. Sperrin Metal has supported local and national sporting teams throughout the years, and they're a huge contributor to the local community in Draperstown and further afield, and we look forward to building on that in the future.